English teacher Bhumika Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So my dear students, in our today's class, we are going to begin a new chapter. We are going to deal it from the course book, okay? And the new chapter is Parts of Speech. Parts of Speech. इससे पहले कभी सुना है इसके बारे में? Parts of Speech क्या होता है? Tell me. Okay, so without wasting the time, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So पहले देखते हैं parts of speech क्या होता है. पहले हम उसे समझते हैं. So what is speech? So my dear students, whatever we talk or speak is known as speech. Okay, so हम जो भी बोलते हैं, whatever we talk, जो भी हम बोलते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? स्पीच. जनरली आपने सुना होगा कि लोग स्टेज में स्पीच देते हैं, राइट? पीपल गिव स्पीचेस ऑन स्टेज. सो जरूरी नहीं है, स्पीच का मतलब यही नहीं होता कि जो स्टेज में जाकर या माइक पर खड़े होकर बोल रहा है वो स्पीच. कोई भी, मैं भी अगर आप लोगों को कुछ बोल रही हूँ, वेदर इफ आई एम ऑल्सो स्पीकिंग समथिंग एंड आई एम टॉकिंग विद यू, राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्पीच. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अ स्पीच? व्हेनेवर समवन स्पीक और टॉक, इट इज नोन एज स्पीच. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो स्पीच आई थिंक आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया होगा स्पीच क्या होता है. ठीक है, कुछ भी हम बोल रहे हैं, जो भी बोल रहे हो, किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में हो, whomever the person may be speaking, whatever language they might be using, okay, and whatever topic they might be talking about, everything is known as speech. Okay, so this was about speech. Now when someone gives a speech, okay, how someone gives a speech, कोई कैसे बोलता है, क्या यूज करके बोलते हैं? Sentences, whatever we are saying, it's a sentence in itself, right? And पिछला क्लास याद करो, when we were dealing with the handwriting chapter, what I told you at that time, that sentences are made up of words, right? Words are made up of letters, and using words sentences are made, right students? So जो हमारा स्पीच है आखिर क्या है? अलग अलग वर्ड, अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस से जुड़ के हमारा स्पीच प्रिपेयर हो रहा है. सेंटेंसेस कैसे बन रहे हैं? वर्ड्स से. सो whenever we speak a sentence, we are actually saying a lots of words. So now, as the topic says, parts of speech. So all these words comes under different types, different parts of speech. So let me tell you, there are total 8 parts of speech. Total speech के 8 प्रकार होते हैं. 8 parts are there, and all these words which we are saying, for example, I am going to school, I am going to school, I am going to school. 5 words, right? These 5 words. अब ये जो 5 words है ना, अलग अलग parts of speech में आएंगे. Different parts of speech comes in different words comes in different parts of speech. So इसको more detail में देखते हैं अब आगे. Okay, so as I said, there are total 8 parts of speech. So what are those 8 parts of speech? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. Okay, so there are total 8 parts of speech, and in our today's class पूरे 8 ना करके हम फर्स्ट 2 टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीच देखेंगे. दे आर नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन. एंड आई नो ये सभी चीज आप लोगों ने पहले पढ़ी होगी, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो ये रिविजन भी हो जाएगा आपके लिए, और जिन्हें नहीं आता वो और अच्छे से सीख भी लेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स सी व्हाट इज अ नाउन. You can also see in your textbook, flowers are made, right? So in the center, the definition of noun is given. What is a noun? So a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. ये बहुत ही कॉमन डेफिनेशन है. ओके, सिंपल सा डेफिनेशन है. जो मैं भी क्लास 3 में थी ना, मैंने भी यही डेफिनेशन पढ़ा है. ओके, आई ऑल्सो स्टडीड द सेम डेफिनेशन, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ नाउन. नाउन क्या होता है? कोई किसी भी जगह का नाम, कोई भी प्लेस, कोई भी एनिमल या थिंग, इन चारों चीजों को हम क्या कहते हैं? नाउन. नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल एंड थिंग. नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, place, animal and thing is known as noun. याद रहेगा आपको? So what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so now noun is the name of a person. अब name of a person, for example me, Bhumika, or another name Ram, Sita, okay, Geeta, Shivam. Okay, for example, in your textbook there is no name is given, but name of a पर्सन, राइट? सो दीज वर द नेम्स ऑफ ए पर्सन. तो जब भी किसी इंसान का अलग अलग नाम होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? नाउन. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल भूमिका इज योर टीचर. इफ आई एम सेइंग भूमिका इज योर टीचर, सो इसमें से जो भूमिका है, व्हाट इज दैट? भूमिका इज अ noun. Okay, because why? Bhumika is the name of a person. Okay, now what we said, name of a person, place. Now let's see place. What are the different places? For example, Jagdalpur or Bastar, okay, Dharampura and other places. These are different places, right? So जब भी कोई sentence बन रहे हैं, for example, I live in Jagdalpur. I live in Jagdalpur. Okay, so Jagdalpur is a noun. Why? Because Jagdalpur is the name of a place, right students? For example, if I say my student lives in Bastar. My student lives in Bastar. So what is Bastar? Bastar is which part of speech? Bastar is a noun. Why? Because now Bastar is the name of a place. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So what we said, noun is the name of a person, place. Now let's see animal. Okay, now animal, for example, I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. So dog is a noun. Why? Because dog is the name of an animal, right? So similarly, I want to see a monkey. I want to see a monkey, right? So what is monkey? Monkey is an animal. It's the name of an animal. So monkey is a noun. Understood? So this way we understood. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. So what is thing here? For example, what we can take the example, I purchased a new book. I purchased a new book. So book is the name of a book is the name of a thing, right? एक thing है, it's not living thing. So यहाँ पे book क्या हो गया? book एक noun. Okay, so similarly if we see another example, like my mother gifted me a new box. My mother gifted me a new box. So what is box here? Box is the name of a thing. So box is a noun. Okay, so this was the example of how noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Okay students, तो कोई भी सेंटेंस में कोई ऐसा वर्ड जिससे जो एक नाम होता है, किसका नाम होता है? किसी पर्सन का, प्लेस, एनिमल या किसी चीज का नाम होता है, किसी थिंग का नाम होता है, तो वो क्या हो जाता है? ऑटोमेटिक वो एक नाउन हो जाता है. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज अ नाउन. सो लुक एट द फ्लावर मेड ओवर देयर. यू कैन सी देयर girl is a person, right? So they are specifying it girl, so girl is a noun. Then comes dog, as I gave you the example, dog. Okay, so dog is an animal, name of an animal. Delhi is the name of a place. Watch, name of a thing. Then comes city, name of a place. Then comes river is also a place. Now pen is a thing. Pencil also a thing. The Ramayana, it's a particular name of a book is a thing. Okay, so it's the name of a book. So these were the examples particularly given in your textbook, that how noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay students, you understood what is noun, right? Okay, now we will begin. As I said at the beginning, we will be dealing two parts of speech. So first we did noun and now we are going to begin with pronoun. Okay, now look at your textbook. The definition is given there about pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun, right? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So students, let's take an example why pronouns are used. Okay, for example, you are writing about your friend Neha. Just an example, you are writing about your friend Neha and you are writing that Neha is my best friend. Neha is a good girl. Neha lives in Jagdalpur. Neha wears white dress. Neha has long hair. Neha has a cute smile. So again and again, Neha. Isn't that boring and irritating to hear again and again. So that's why to avoid this problem, ये problem ना हो, इसीलिए हम क्या कहते हैं, pronouns का use करते हैं. So what we are going to write, instead of Neha we are going to use she. For example, Neha is my best friend. She is a good girl. She lives in Jagdalpur. So this is the way, if you are writing something again and again, instead of writing someone's name or telling about something, you can use pronouns. Okay, that's why the definition is given here, that a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun when you are writing two sentences. And उसी चीज के बारे में आपको दोबारा बात करनी हो, that for example, I bought an almirah. Almirah is very big. So instead of writing that, we can write I bought an almirah. It is very big or it is very huge. Okay, so that's why it is saying, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the word used in place of a noun. Noun की जगह पे जो दूसरा word use होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Pronoun. Okay, समझ रहे हैं? Noun, pronoun. Okay, so the words used in place of a noun are known as pronoun. Okay, now you can take a look at the flower made in your textbook. There are different pronouns are given there. You can see there he, she, it, you, they, them, those, we and him. So these are the different pronouns. Okay students, so these were the different pronouns given in your textbook. Okay, so with this we complete our today's class. We discussed about nouns and pronouns, and in our next class we are going to see about different parts of speech like adjective, verb, adverb, and we are also going to see how to use these pronouns in sentences. Okay my dear students, and now it comes your work. So what is going to be your work? You have to memorize the definition of noun and pronoun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And what is the definition of pronoun? Pronouns are the word used in the place of noun. So these two definitions you have to memorize nicely, and these two definitions you have to write in your rough notebook 5 times. Okay, 5 बार इन दोनों definitions को आप लिखेंगे और अच्छे से याद करेंगे. Okay my dear students, so your English teacher will be back again in the next class with some new topics to study together. Till then my dear students, take care, goodbye.